Yo, what's up, everyone? If you've ever wrestled with a clunky old vacuum or felt personally victimized by a dusty floor 5 minutes after cleaning, this video is for you. Today, we're counting down the top 5 Dyson Cordless Vacuums. And trust me, these machines are straight up game changers. Whether you're balling on a budget, living that pet parent life, or just obsessed with high-tech gear that actually works, I've got something on this list that's going to blow your mind and your dust bunnies away. From laser-powered cleaning to vacuums that literally analyze the dirt they're picking up, Dyson is not playing around this year. So, grab a snack, get comfy, and let's break down the best of the best, because your dream vacuum might just be one scroll away. Let's get into it. Alright, kicking things off at number 5 is the Dyson V8. And let me just say, if you're balling on a budget but still want that Dyson power, this one's a solid pick. It's the most affordable option on this list, usually coming in at around $350, but it doesn't skimp on performance. You get up to 40 minutes of runtime, strong suction for everyday messes, and a super lightweight design that makes it perfect for quick cleanups. It's ideal for apartments or smaller homes, and because it's so light, it's easy to carry up and down stairs without breaking a sweat. Now, it might not have all the bells and whistles of the newer models, but it still has that signature Dyson quality. It handles pet hair, dust, and even crumbs like a champ. Plus, it comes with a motorized cleaner head and multiple attachments. So, whether you're cleaning hardwood, carpet, stairs, or even your car, this thing's got you covered. The hygienic bin emptying system is also a plus, so you're not getting your hands dirty when it's time to clear it out. If you're new to Dyson or just don't want to drop a ton of cash, the V8 is a great way to dip your toes in the cordless vacuum world. It's reliable, efficient, and still feels premium without the premium price tag. Just know, it's best for small to medium spaces. You'll need to recharge if you're doing a big deep clean. But if you're doing everyday maintenance or have limited storage space, the V8 fits into your life without taking over. It's a simple, no-fuss vacuum that still gets the job done extremely well. Next up, we've got the Dyson V12 Detect Slim. And this thing is seriously sleek. If you're looking for something lightweight but still powerful, this vacuum is a total win. It weighs just under 5.2 pounds, and it's priced around $650, which puts it in that mid to high-end range. But the value is 100% there, especially with that laser dust detection feature. It's compact enough to store in a closet or even behind a door, which makes it great for anyone working with limited space. Yep, you heard that right, a freaking laser! The V12 shines a green laser on your floors to reveal tiny dust particles you'd normally miss. It also automatically adjusts suction based on how dirty your floors are, which is kind of genius. It's like your vacuum is thinking for you. You get about 60 minutes of runtime, which is impressive for how compact it is. Plus, the suction power is no joke. It handles everything from fine dust to pet fur without breaking a sweat. This one's perfect if you've got a smaller apartment or just hate dragging around a bulky vacuum. It's effortless to maneuver, easy to empty, and the digital display lets you know exactly how much battery is left. You'll also love how quiet it is, especially if you're cleaning early in the morning or while someone's working from home. If convenience is your top priority, the V12 Detect Slim is a no-brainer. It packs a surprising amount of tech and power into such a portable package, making every cleaning feel a whole lot smarter and less of a chore. Coming in at number 3 is the Dyson Outsize, and the name says it all. This vacuum is a beast, designed for people with big homes, lots of floor space, or major messes. It goes for around $950, which, yeah, is definitely an investment, but it's worth it if you're tired of constantly emptying your dustbin or recharging mid-clean. It's perfect for families or pet owners who are cleaning up after kids, shedding fur, or weekend messes that seem to multiply. The Outsize has a 25% wider cleaner head and 150% larger bin compared to the standard models. Translation: you cover more ground and stop to empty it way less often. It's got up to 120 minutes of runtime when you use both included batteries. Yes, 2, which is honestly game-changing for anyone doing whole house cleanings in one go. And let's be real, being able to finish the job in one pass without stopping is a huge time saver. It also comes with a set of high-quality attachments, so you can get into tight corners, under furniture, and even up onto drapes or shelving. Performance-wise, this vacuum is a monster. It picks up everything from fine dust to big debris, and it handles both carpets and hard floors with ease. Even high-pile rugs in heavily trafficked areas don't slow it down. The suction power is seriously impressive, and it adjusts automatically depending on the floor type, so you're always getting optimal performance. If you're dealing with pets, kids, or just a lot of square footage, the Outsize is the powerhouse you've been looking for. It might be bigger and heavier than other models, but if you've got a lot of mess to tackle, this one brings the muscle. Alright, runner-up status goes to the Dyson V15 Detect, and this is where things start to get techie. The vacuum is loaded with smart features and easily one of the most advanced models in Dyson's lineup. It sits at around $750, and honestly, for what you're getting, that price is totally fair. It's a powerhouse, designed for people who love performance and precision, combining intelligence with intense suction in a way that feels futuristic. The V15 uses a laser to spot microscopic dust, and the LCD screen actually shows you the size and amount of particles it's sucking up in real time. So yeah, it doesn't just clean, it educates. You also get a sensor that adjusts suction automatically, a powerful motor, and up to 60 minutes of battery life. It's seriously like having a smart assistant that vacuums for you. Plus, there's a piezo sensor that actually counts and categorizes particles as they go in, which is amazing for allergy sufferers or neat freaks who want to know exactly what's been removed from their space. What makes the V15 stand out is how it adapts to different messes. Whether you've got thick rugs, hardwood, or a mix of both, it adjusts without you lifting a finger. The torque drive head digs deep into carpets, while the laser on the fluffy head is perfect for hard floors. It's not the lightest Dyson, but the versatility and tech definitely make up for that. And let's not forget, it's great for pet owners too. If you love cutting-edge gadgets, want your home cleaner than it's ever been, and enjoy watching smart tech do the heavy lifting, this one will totally impress you. And finally, taking the top spot, we've got the Dyson Gen5 Detect. This is Dyson's most powerful and advanced cordless vacuum yet, and it truly lives up to the hype. It's priced at around $950, right up there with the Outsize, but for overall performance, this one takes the crown. If you're the kind of person who wants every clean to feel next level, this vacuum turns an everyday chore into a kind of techie thrill ride. What's wild about the Gen5 Detect is its HEPA filtration system, which captures 99.99% of particles, even as small as viruses. Yeah, it's that advanced. It also features a new fluffy optic cleaner head with improved laser dust detection, a longer battery life, and an even more efficient motor. You're getting about 70 minutes of runtime, plus a redesigned power button instead of a trigger, way more user-friendly. The Gen5 Detect also introduces a new integrated crevice tool that stores inside the vacuum wand, so you're never scrambling to find attachments mid-clean. This vacuum is built for people who want the best of the best. It's got insane suction power, smart dust detection, real-time particle tracking, and it's surprisingly quiet for how powerful it is. Whether you've got pets, allergies, or just want to feel like you're vacuuming with the Tesla of home appliances, the Gen5 Detect is the one to beat. It's not just about cleaning, it's about confidence. You'll see exactly what's being sucked up, how clean your space is, and feel like you're ahead of the curve every time you use it. If you're someone who appreciates intelligent design and overachieving performance, the Gen5 Detect is a game changer.